Most musicians think marketing means posting more content, more reels, more TikToks, more random clips, and somehow hoping the algorithm saves them. But here's the truth. That strategy doesn't build careers. It builds burnout, frustration, and confusion. Music marketing that actually works is not about volume. It's about direction, clarity, and consistency. Let me say this clearly. Posting without a system is just noise. Real music marketing starts with one simple question. Who exactly are you trying to reach? Not everyone. Not music fans. Not people who like good songs. I mean real specifics. What age group? What lifestyle? What emotional connection? What type of person sees your content and says, "That's me"? If you don't know your audience, your marketing will always feel random. Because it is. Now let's talk about platform focus, because this is where most musicians sabotage themselves. They try to be everywhere. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Spotify, all at once. That doesn't make you productive. It makes you scattered. Real strategy means picking one primary platform and building momentum there first. One place to grow recognition. One place to build community. One place to become consistent. Momentum beats multitasking every single time. Now here's the biggest mindset shift. Your content is not about you. It's about the value you provide. People don't follow musicians just for songs. They follow stories, struggles, progress, and personality. So instead of asking, "What should I post today?" ask this. What can I teach? What can I share? What can I show behind the scenes? What experience can I give? Value builds attention. Attention builds trust. Trust builds fans. Now here's something most artists never hear. Followers are borrowed. Audiences are owned. If your career lives only on social platforms, you're renting your fan base, and the algorithm controls your growth. Smart marketing builds direct connection. Email lists, websites, fan communities, because no platform can delete relationships. This is how real careers are built. Not viral, not overnight, not lucky, but intentional, strategic, and sustainable. And if you remember only one thing from this video, remember this. Marketing is not about being famous. It's about building leverage. Leverage through systems. Leverage through consistency. Leverage through community. That's how unknown artists become working musicians. And if you want more no BS strategies like this, more real systems, more tactical advice, and zero industry fluff, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join the movement. Because talent alone isn't enough, but the right system changes everything.